We're going to cover how to use OBS Studio step
Hi
by step in
everyone,
this
so
complete
I'm actually
tutorial for
working
beginners. Hey, it's
on some
Justin Brownlee from
programs
Primal Video, where we help you grow an
and I
audience and
just
scale
opened
your
up,
revenue with
hold on,
online video. If you're seeing value in this video, make sure you're giving it a
lower
thumbs
this
up. It
TV
really makes a
down.
huge difference. And all the links
So
and
my
everything
goals
I mentioned
today
in
is
this
to
video.
like work on trying to get these rigs done for these dress because I'll be going back to semester the end of the month, meaning going back to school, and I won't be busy doing this. So let's see, I think this one here, open this up. So I'm going to be opening up Blender. I'm going to go back to that dress, and I was cleaning it up so that I can rig it, and I want to show you how to rig a non-rigged item or a meshed item using Avastar 2.7. And so I'm just going to take you through a quick short tutorial on what needs to be done. So let me open this up. Okay. Sometimes I open these and that's personally two of them opening. I am using OBS capture screening, so shout out to OBS. Okay, so here's the item itself, and as you can see, I have several things here which are unhighlighted, but so I'm going to show you. So my items here are already set up. I'm going to go ahead and add a Avastar basic. Okay. Not sure if you're hearing my background TV, but it's just going over some OBGS criteria that needs to be done. Okay, so the item is pretty much set right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open the Avastar rigging. Let's start here. Go under binding. So let me show you, for an example, what I mean by rigging. So there's a foot here, and grab it. As you can see, it's basically non-rigged, meaning that the clothed item is not rigged to the body. So Control Z, stop, bring that back. I'm gonna go ahead and select the dress. So let's see, go back to object, go into object mode, select the dress. See, it's highlighted. Hold down the shift key, select the Avastar rigging, and pull this side over here. We want to rig the weights to upper and lower bottom of the mesh, and we want to bind to armature. So takes about a minute or so. I am using Blender, the new version of Blender, so I think it's 3.0, but don't count me on that. Once it's done, it will state it's fine. Okay, so now display should go back to pose mode and grab one of these. As you can see, I go to the leg, G, it is now attached to the armature. That is mean it's rigged. Excuse me. So let's see, close this out here. Go here. I used number pad 1 and click over here. Pad 2. Let me see if everything looks okay. That's the top. 3. Okay, so if I use this, I'm in pose mode and grab. See, it's basically rigged. So now what I do is go back to object mode and see, go to front view, click the item, which is the dress, and you're going to now export it. Click File, Export Collada DAE, and it's a Blender, but we don't want that because that's not Collada, so make sure you click it and export to a Collada DAE. Say I'm going to put a little X, knowing that that is basically the part of the dress, or in this case maybe I shouldn't. I'm just going to go ahead and put AD, and it's going to go on my desktop, and now it's running out and it's downloading the rigged item. And that's basically how to rig a dress. Now, rigging a dress means it's attached to the body. And why this is important, say for example I want to sell it, I can say it's rigged, so basically it has weights on there, and meaning that it moves. However, they can transfer those weights to another item that they want to rig. So I'm giving them data that they can use, and I could easily sell this dress for $100. So go ahead and close this out. Open up my Second Life Gaming Virtual World. And I'm going to show you how this takes a while because I'm on a laptop, although I am connected USB. It takes me a while. Where are you? Then I'm going to bring it into Virtual World. This is my first time using OBS. I was using another program, but it was only limited to like for about a week. and I ran out of week. I should have kind of recorded like I'm doing now, but I like OBG. I think it's a cool screen shop. Open, it's open based, so it's free. And let's stop this. Okay.